بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
سأل سائل بعذاب واقع.
An asker is mockingly asking for that punishment,
للكافرين ليس له دافع.
which is going to take place upon the disbelievers. No one can avert it.
من الله ذي المعارج.
That punishment will be from Allah, the owner of the heights.
تعرج الملائكة والروح إليه في يوم كان مقداره 50,000 سنة.
The angels and Jibreel ascend towards His majestic court. That punishment will befall the disbelievers on a day, the duration of which is 50,000 years.
فاصبر صبرا جميلا.
Therefore, O beloved, be admirably patient.
إنهم يرونه بعيدا.
They assume it, i.e., the punishment to be far away,
ونراه قريبا.
whereas we are seeing is near.
يوم تكون السماء كالمهل.
The day when the sky will be like molten silver,
وتكون الجبال كالعهن.
and the mountains will become light like wool,
ولا يسأل حميم حميما.
and no friend will ask concerning any of his friends.
يبصرونهم يود المجرم لو يفتدي من عذاب يومئذ ببنيه.
They will be seeing them. The criminals will wish if only he could pay ransom from the punishment of that day by offering his sons
وصاحبته وأخيه.
and his wife and his brother
وفصيلته التي تؤويه.
and his caring family member who provided him shelter,
ومن في الأرض جميعا ثم ينجيه.
and all those who are on the earth. Then this ransom might save him.
كلا إنها لظى.
Never. That is actually a blazing fire,
نزاعة للشوى.
the one which strips off the skin is calling
تدعو من أدبر وتولى.
him who turned his back away and turned his face from the truth,
وجمع فأوعى.
and accumulated wealth and saved it.
إن الإنسان خلق هلوعا.
Indeed, mankind has been made very impatient, greedy,
إذا مسه الشر جزوعا.
very anxious when misfortune reaches him,
وإذا مسه الخير منوعا.
and stingy when good reaches him,
إلا المصلين
except those who offer salah,
الذين هم على صلاتهم دائمون.
those who are punctual with their salah,
والذين في أموالهم حق معلوم.
and those in whose wealth there is a known right,
للسائل والمحروم.
for the one who begs and for the one who cannot even beg, so he remains deprived.
والذين يصدقون بيوم الدين.
And those who believe the day of judgment to be true,
والذين هم من عذاب ربهم مشفقون.
and those who are fearing the punishment of their Lord.
إن عذاب ربهم غير مأمون.
Indeed, the punishment of their Lord is not a thing to be unafraid of.
والذين هم لفروجهم حافظون.
And those who protect their private parts,
إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين.
except from their wives or the slave girls in their possession, that there is no criticism on them.
فمن ابتغى وراء ذلك فأولئك هم العادون.
So he who desires more than these two It is they who are the transgressors.
والذين هم لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون
And those who are mindful of their trusts and their covenant.
والذين هم بشهاداتهم قائمون
And those who are firm upon their testimonies.
والذين هم على صلاتهم يحافظون
And those who protect the salah.
أولئك في جنات مكرمون
It is they who will be honored in gardens of paradise.
فما للذين كفروا قبلك مهطعين
So, what is the matter with those disbelievers? They gaze at you, O beloved, with an eager look.
عن اليمين وعن الشمال عزين
From the right and the left, in numerous groups.
أيطمع كل امرئ منهم أن يدخل جنة نعيم
Does every person amongst them desire to be admitted into the gardens of tranquility?
كلا إنا خلقناهم مما يعلمون
Never. We have indeed created them from a thing they know.
فلا أقسم برب المشارق والمغارب إنا لقادرون
So, I swear an oath by the owner of every east and every west that we are indeed powerful.
على أن نبدل خيرا منهم وما نحن بمسبوقين
To replace the disbelievers with those who are better than them, and no one can escape from us.
فذرهم يخوضوا ويلعبوا حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي يوعدون
So, O beloved, leave them to indulge in their rudeness and to play until they confront that day of theirs of which they are promised.
يوم يخرجون من الأجداث سراعا كأنهم إلى نصب يوفضون
The day when they will come out of their graves in haste, as if rushing towards their fixed signposts.
خاشعة أبصارهم ترهقهم ذلة ذلك اليوم الذي كانوا يوعدون
With lowered eyes, disgrace overcame them, such as that day of theirs which they had been promised.
صدق الله العظيم